What are we doing today, guys?
Skydiving!
Woo! Jumping out of airplanes, huh? Whose idea was this? It's this guy's fault. Are we celebrating anything?
No.
No, just checking this off the list.
Bucket list, yeah.
All right, we're gonna have some fun today.
Let's go.
Any last words, final comments, confessions before we go?
Mom, Dad, I love you. Get over with.
For me, it's always the same. Computer, tablet, phone, burn all of it, bury it in the desert. The wife can have everything else. Let's go rock a skydive, have some fun. High five all the way across.
Go.
Guys. Here we go. Woo! All right. Ah! All right, guys, here we are. Are you ready?
Ready.
Good. We're gonna go get in, get up, and get out. Let's go have some fun, guys. How do you feel?
Bien. Awesome.
¿Te gustas?
Mucho.
Sí.
Bien.
Okay. Yeah, pretty much. Dude, Aldo, we just went skydiving, man.
did it.
How do you feel?
Awesome.
Did you like it?
Of course.
You already want to do it again, huh?
Again. Hey, I'm going to pay now.
Yeah?
To do it again.
Come in, let's
Yeah.
go.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
You're awesome.
Woo!